Hi everyone, it's Fiona from YBR St Mary's and it's Mortgage Monday. Today I'm going to continue along the same vibe that I have for the last few weeks for the self-employed, for those of you with small businesses. Now, when you have a small business, you know what it's like with cash flow. You're always thinking, okay, I need to have this money to pay for that, but I haven't been paid yet. So this is where Finstro come in. They're a smart, small business, short-term solution when it comes to money. So say I'll compare the two. So say you have a bank and versus Finstro. Well, with the bank, if you have invoices or bills that need to be paid, and you haven't been paid yet from your job before, then you'll have to use your credit card or an overdraft or a business loan. With Finstro, what happens is if you have an invoice that needs to be paid, they will pay that invoice and you'll have 6 months to pay them back, which is great. Say, for example, you're a plumber and you've just got a bathroom renovation coming up, which you're so excited about. Great, you've got more work on. Woohoo! So what you need to do, though, is you need to buy the stock for this new renovation, but you haven't been paid from your previous job, which was only last week, 2 weeks ago. So you need money to pay for it. So what you do is you go to Finstro, they pay your invoice from your previous job, so that gives you time to receive that payment and you can continue through into the next job. So you're not being held up with waiting for a payment. You can still continue with your next job, which is great. So, and what you need to actually qualify to get a Finstro facility like this is 3 things. You need your business bank statement, you need to have an active ABN, and they'll just do a credit check on you. So just reminding you, if you go with Finstro, they pay your invoices and you have 6 months to pay it back. You don't have to worry about your credit card interest, an overdraft or getting a loan. And it's a really good short-term solution if you need money now, just to pay your invoices, to keep going, business as usual. And the 3 things you need to provide is so simple. Now, next week I've invited Matt from Finstro along, and he's going to talk into it with a little bit more detail. But I found a lot of my self-employed clients are actually liking this option, something different, something to try, that can really help your everyday business, going forward. So if you'd like any further information, feel free to leave a message in the comments box. But I will see you next week with Matt, and he can help you out with more stuff. So that's it from me. Thanks. Have a great week.